Hey, this is Andrew, and today I'll be reviewing and demoing TORRAS iPhone 15 6.7-inch anti-fingerprint screen protector set. What really sets the screen protector set apart from others are the tools TORRAS has provided us, making it super simple to attach the screen protector and put it all together on the phone. Plus, the anti-fingerprint actually works, which I'll demonstrate here to you shortly. But before I do, I'll share everything that it comes with. In the box, you'll find two screen protectors. And while these screen protectors offer full coverage and are shatterproof, they're obviously made to protect your screen first and foremost. So in case one gets scratched up or cracks after dropping it, again, you do have that backup screen protector. As I mentioned, it comes with all the tools that you need to clean your phone and actually attach the screen protectors, including wet wipes, microfiber cloths, dust removers, and an orange guide that fits over your phone to make sure that your screen protector is fully flush onto your phone. So I want to quickly demonstrate how to perfectly place the screen protector on. Now, you will see that I'm demonstrating this on an iPhone 14 Pro Max, as the 15 isn't in my possession yet. However, since it does come with two screen protectors, I'm going to try one out and then attach the other one to the iPhone 15 if I like it. Alright? So, first you want to clean the front screen of the phone with a wet cloth. As the directions show, I use the wet cloth first to get rid of any fingerprints or sediment from the phone screen. Then, what I do is actually use the dry cloth if I see any extra dust or smears or wet streaks from the wet wipe. Then I use the dust collector sticker if I see any particles of dust left on the screen. Now, we're actually ready to put on the screen protector. So this screen protector is a bit different, as you simply put the orange guide over the phone as it already has the screen protector attached to it. And then you simply pull on the pull tab. The film will slowly come off, exposing the screen protector onto the phone. Again, this screen protector is fitted for the iPhone 15, which is a different size from my iPhone 14 Pro Max. So it's not going to demonstrate this perfectly in this video, but when you're putting it on your iPhone 15, the guide will fit perfectly. Now, once you get the screen on, once you get the screen protector on, what I do is press down the middle from top to bottom. If there's any bubbles, you can normally push those out with your finger. And be sure to check if there's a speck of dust that got caught underneath the glass, which you can remove using the dust remover provided. And actually looking at it, it looks like I actually see a couple of dust particles. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to grab the dust remover sticker, slightly lift up the screen, and stick the adhesive or the sticky side of the dust remover to the sticky side of the screen protector, as the dust is stuck to it and not the iPhone screen. Then I'm just going to pull the sticker away. This might disrupt the entire screen fitting, but that's okay. You can simply realign the screen protector to the phone and it'll stick back onto it. Then push out the large bubbles with your fingers and use this white tool that's provided to push out the smaller ones, as it won't scratch the screen, but it will push any air out from underneath the glass screen protector. Now that it's on, I do want to compare a previous screen protector to this anti-fingerprint one. My other screen protector, you can see, looks absolutely disgusting, right? While I'm moving my finger around, you can see all the smears, right? And however, look at the new one. When I'm swiping my finger, it's not leaving any streaks or oils behind. So as you see here, I am super satisfied with the TORRAS Diamond Shield anti-fingerprint screen protector and believe it will be a great accessory to your iPhone 15 as well. All right, so enjoy.